Have you ever heard of salmonella? It's a bacteria responsible for contaminating over 1 million people a year in the USA alone. Its symptoms are easily confused with those of food poisoning and can appear up to 10 days after consuming the contaminated food. Every year, there are cases of salmonella contamination reported all over the world. In 2018, 60 people were diagnosed with salmonella all over the 50 states of America. But how do people get contaminated? By eating watermelon. If you believe you can only catch salmonella by eating raw eggs, then you're wrong. The bacteria can also be found in poorly washed meats, as well as fruits and green vegetables, raw or cooked. When it comes to fruit, it's more likely to be found in the kind with a high pH balance, such as papaya and melons. These fruits give bacteria a favorable environment to grow in, but you don't have to cut them out of your diet. The biggest danger is found in pre-cut fruits that are sold at grocery stores. These packages have been handled, most of the time without the needed precautions, and can be contaminated. Next time you go to the grocery store, try to buy food that hasn't been manipulated or handled. This way you'll be safe from all the harmful bacteria. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.